I'm taking you through the step-by-step process of creating or starting an e-commerce store in Nigeria. With a growing number of consumers preferring the convenience of buying products and services online, it presents fantastic opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs to start their own e-commerce store. The foundation of any successful online business is market research. As an entrepreneur, you must identify your target audience, analyze competitors, and understand the demand for your products and services. Knowing your own market inside out will help you to prioritize tailoring your offerings to meet the needs of your potential customers. Ask yourself, what makes your own e-commerce store unique? Why should customers patronize you? Select a niche that aligns with your interests and has a market demand. Market demand is very important. This is what will bring people to you, because the moment they start looking for that product, people get to refer them till they get to your own store. Just a click away, through adverts or referrals, you're good to go. So whether it's fashion, electronics, or niche products, finding your own focus will help you stand out in the crowded e-commerce space. It is very crucial to play by the rules. Having legal and regulatory compliance is key. Register your business to obtain necessary licenses and ensure compliance with tax regulations. This not only legitimizes your business, it also builds trust with your customers. Have you considered what the backbone of your online store is? You have to select a reliable e-commerce platform that suits your business needs, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or any local platform. Make sure it offers the features you need to manage your store effectively. So, let's bring your vision to life. Customize your website. Add high-quality images and compelling product descriptions. Your product descriptions will tell your customers exactly what that product is about and will give them detailed information as regards what they need to choose. Ensure a smooth and secure checkout process. Remember, user experience is key to keeping your customers happy, coming back. So whether it's Gigi, Jumia, Konga, Kara, any online store locally or internationally, you're good to go. Just make sure it offers the features you need to manage your store effectively. Let's talk about getting paid and delivering goods. You must integrate secure payment gateways, consider multiple payment options, and you have to partner with reliable logistic companies. We all know, any entrepreneur would know that in Nigeria, oh gosh, logistic companies, man, they will do you shiggy. They will delay your goods if you're not careful. They will make you lose a customer if you're not careful. In fact, a whole lot. They can even go with your goods under the rain and it gets wet, and then you have to start shouting and they cannot even afford the payment. It's a whole lot when it comes to logistic companies. So you need to partner with a reliable source in order for you to have an efficient order fulfillment and delivery. A seamless procedure always ensures happy customers. Now it's time to shout it from the rooftops. Utilize social media, SEO, email marketing, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your store. Paid advertisement on social media, you know all the platforms involved. You can, throw in your adverts there and you start seeing calls rolling in. Engage your audience, run promotions, and build a strong online presence to increase visibility. You must dedicate a special line to your business, not the one you use on your regular day, not your personal phone number, but a phone number that is meant for just your business. It could be just WhatsApp chat. You may not take calls, but if you wish, you can take calls under certain circumstances, probably inquiries or complaints or matters like that. With market research, I've been able to find out that chats are less likely to give you mental health issues when it comes to business. Happy customer, happy business. Provide excellent quality in customer service. Respond to inquiries promptly, address concerns, create a positive shopping experience. Satisfied customers are always more likely to become repeat customers. Conclusively, starting an e-commerce business in Nigeria is an exciting journey. It is filled with so many opportunities. By following the steps that I've set out earlier, and staying dedicated to your vision, you can turn your online store into a thriving business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more business insights. Until I come your way again, I'm Funke Odode.